software is interfering with Roblox, close quote. Fix third-party software interfering with Roblox. This error happens when Roblox detects apps that hook into the game or modify system behavior. Even normal tools can trigger it. 1. Close all background apps. Most important. Before launching Roblox, completely close Discord, especially Overlay, MSI Afterburner / Rivatuner, GeForce Experience Overlay, OBS screen recorders, FPS unlockers, reshade or graphics injectors. Open Task Manager, Control-Shift-S key, and end anything unnecessary. Nashnar 2. Disable startup apps. Some programs auto-run and trigger the error. Press Win-R, type msconfig, go to Startup, Open Task Manager, disable non-essential apps, restart your PC. 3. Temporarily disable antivirus, test only. Some antivirus tools falsely trigger anti-cheat systems. Turn off real-time protection temporarily. Launch Roblox and check. If it works, add Roblox as an exception. 4. Remove suspicious, conflicting software. Uninstall anything like game exploit tools, memory editors, debuggers, macro automation tools, unknown boosters, or tweak apps. Even if you're not using them, just having them installed can trigger detection. 5. Restart Windows Explorer. Quick fix. Since Explorer.exe sometimes gets flagged, press Control-Shift-S, find Windows Explorer, right-click Restart, then launch Roblox again. 6. Clean boot. Advanced but effective. This isolates the problem. Press Win-R, msconfig, go to Services, check Hide Microsoft Services, click Disable All, restart PC. Now try launching Roblox. If it works, re-enable services one by one to find the culprit. 7. Reinstall Roblox corrupted files can also trigger false detection. Uninstall Roblox. Delete folder. You can see the code in our conversation history. Reinstall fresh. Important notes. This error does not always mean cheating. It's often caused by normal apps interacting with the game. Don't follow random fixes from forums blindly. They mix different issues. Why people mention this in other games like Neverness to Everness, because similar anti-cheat behavior, same PC tools causing conflicts, community confusion spreading the same error everywhere. If you want, tell me what apps you have running. I can help you pinpoint the exact one causing your issue.